Ring Indoor Cam newest model. Home or business security in 1080p HD video. Blush. Get the whole picture. Watch over your home or business day or night in 1080p HD video with live view and color night vision. Help cover every corner, counter and more. Perfect for businesses or homes that need the flexibility to cover and protect multiple indoor spaces by connecting one or multiple indoor cams. Versatile mounting options. Find the perfect angle on a table or mount up high with the flexible swivel mount. Indoor cam is plug-in, making it easy to move where you need it. Video previews. Record a few extra seconds before every motion event with advanced pre-roll to get a more complete picture of what happened. Privacy at your fingertips. Turn off your camera and mic with the manual privacy cover. Then reactivate with a simple swivel. Get important alerts. Get real-time alerts when the camera detects movement. And choose exactly what your camera covers so you only get notified above movement that matters. Additional protection with a Ring Protect plan subscription sold separately. Record all your videos. Review stored videos for up to 180 days, photos for 7 days. And share videos. Connect with Alexa. Hear custom notifications from Echo Dot. Launch video with Echo Show. And enjoy hands-free home monitoring with select Alexa-enabled devices. Protection in your home. Privacy in your hands. Place it on a table. Stick it on a wall. Switch it up. With the versatile indoor cam, protection goes wherever there's a plug. See more with HD video and advanced pre-roll leave it in the dark. Or see less with a manual privacy cover that turns off your cam until you need it next. Customizable. Motion zones. Choose specific areas you want indoor cam to cover to help reduce unnecessary alerts. Motion alerts and advanced pre-roll. When indoor cam senses movement, you'll get notified on your phone. It'll even capture motion a few seconds early to help piece together what's happening. Live view with two-way talk. With indoor cam, it's easy to see, hear, and speak with live audio and video. Siren. Sound off your powerful siren from the Ring app. All day, every day. See it all. With 24/7's recording one. Capture every moment, even things that happen outside your motion zones nonstop. Your 24/7's footage is saved for up to 14 days. So you don't miss a thing. Ring Home Premium subscription required. Sold separately. Place it, mount it, move it, love it. Talk to your pet in their favorite spot. Or keep an eye on your garage at any hour. With its flexible swivel mount, indoor cam can go basically anywhere, even up high on a wall or ceiling beam. Plus, it's plug-in, making it oh so easy to move where you need it. Real-time notifications and live view. Privacy at your fingertips. Feel safe knowing your home's privacy is protected. With thoughtful features that put you in control of what indoor cam sees and when you want it active. Expanded head-to-toe view. Privacy cover. Turn off your camera and mic with the manual privacy cover. Swivel it to the side to reactivate the camera or remove it entirely for protection at all hours. Privacy zones. Control what your cameras can see or record by blacking out off-limits areas, such as the bathroom door, your work desk, or a neighbor's window. Privacy settings. Customize who can see your videos with end-to-end encryption. Control the behavior of all your Ring devices and add extra layers of security to your account. All your privacy settings, all in the Ring app. Complete control from the Ring app. See, hear, and do it all from the palm of your hand with the free Ring app. Real-time notifications and live view. Real-time notifications. Receive real-time notifications on your phone and tablet to stay in the know when anything happens at home. Live view and two-way talk. Get real-time video and audio with the live view button. Customizable privacy zones. Monitor the areas that matter most to you and leave out what doesn't. With customizable privacy zones. Every moment at your fingertips. Subscribe an eligible Ring Home plan, sold separately. To save and rewatch the moments you missed, record nonstop. Use AI to find that one thing in all of your motion events and more. 24/7's recording. Choose Ring Home Premium to capture every moment, even things happening outside your motion zones on your eligible cameras. Your 24/7's footage is saved for up to 14 days. So you don't miss a thing. 180 days of video event history. With video event history, save, share and replay recorded videos of every doorbell ring, motion event, and live view event for up to 180 days too. Smart Video Search Beta. Have AI help you search to find that one thing in all your cameras recorded. Motion events. Available with a Ring Home Premium Plan 3. Device modes. Easily change modes and customize settings to have your camera record when you're away, or turn off when you're home, and more. Available with a Ring Home Standard plan.